Students, see page number 3. Now here also you can see the picture 1.3 different crops. Now these are the different crops: wheat, bajra, sugarcane, potato, etc. Now I am reading this one. You have to discuss yourself. The following table 1.1. Following table means you can see the table on page number 4. Shows the land under cultivation in India in units of million hectares. This one, this table. You can see this table, table number 1.1. The following table 1.1 shows the land under cultivation in India in units of million hectares. Plot this on the graph provided. Now read out. Now see the year also as well as the cultivated area. What does the graph show? Discuss in class. Now you can see this graph. Table 1.1 cultivated area over the years. Now here graph also you can see. Try to understand, student. Is it important to increase the area under irrigation? Why? Second one, you have read about the crops grown in Palampur. Fill the following table based on information on the crops grown in your region. This is the activity you have to do yourself. You have seen that one way of increasing production from the same land is by multiple cropping. You have studied and you understood also multiple cropping, one of the method for increasing production from the same land, from the fixed land. The other way is to use modern farming methods. Now see this one. I am reading this. Another way, one is a multiple cropping. Another way, use modern farming methods for higher yields. Here yields means production, produce. For increasing more production, so we can use a multiple cropping method also as well as modern farming methods also. Yield is measured as a crop produced on a given piece of land during a single season. Yield, production, which is measured, crop which produce on a particular part of land in a 1 year, in a single season also. How much produce, like this. Till the mid 1960s, the seeds used in cultivation were traditional ones with a relatively low yields. Now farmers in past periods, now they used traditional methods as well as the traditional seeds. Because of traditional methods and seeds, now they produce low productional. But now farmers used cow dung and other natural manure. Manure means here we can say the waste material of animals as fertilizers. Cow dung as well as the other natural manure which are used in past periods, farmers they used as a fertilizers, and they get very low production also. All these were readily available with the farmers who did not have to buy them. Traditional seeds as well as the cow dung and old fertilizers, whatever they use, all are available and ready. They did not have to buy or purchase from the market. Now I am reading this paragraph. Try to understand this one. Grain revolution. Grain revolution. Revolution means change. Now we can see the change or progress, good progress in agricultural field. In the late 1960s, introduced the Indian farmer to cultivation of wheat and rice using high yielding varieties of seeds. Underline high yielding varieties of seeds, HYVS, introduced after the Green Revolution. Now farmers they are using high varieties seeds, high yielding variety seeds in place of traditional seeds after the Green Revolution. Compared to the traditional seeds, the HYV seeds promise to produce much greater amounts of grain on a single plant. Means as compared the traditional seeds, HYV seeds, with the help of the HYV seeds, now farmers they can get more production, greater amounts of grain on a single plant. From the single plant they can get more grains. As a result, the same piece of land would now produce far larger quantities of food grains than was possible earlier as compared to earlier. Now they are able to produce more as well as they can sell more whatever the surplus grain also. HYV seeds, however, needed plenty of water and also chemical fertilizers and pesticides to produce the best results. Now students listen carefully. Farmers they are getting more production, but HYV seeds needed seeds for more productions. If they are using HYV seeds, so farmers need what? Require plenty of water, good facilities, irrigation good facilities, and more chemical fertilizers as well as the pesticides. Now here you can see the students these modern farming methods, HYV seeds, chemical fertilizer, etc. Now see this paragraph, this one. Pesticides. Now from this paragraph start. Pesticides to produce best results. Now chemical fertilizers need more, pesticides needs for more productions, to increase the production we can say. Higher yields were possible only from a combination of HYV seeds, irrigation, chemical fertilizers and pesticides, etc. Combination means farmers require these things to increase the production, farm productions. They need HYV seeds, irrigation, good irrigation facilities, chemical fertilizers as well as the pesticides also. Now look, see this paragraph. Farmers of Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh were the first to try out the modern farming method in India. Now those farmers who belong to Punjab and Haryana, means farmers of Punjab and farmers of Haryana now, as well as the western Uttar Pradesh, all they tried. First, they tried to carry out and follow modern farming method in our country. The farmers in these regions set up tube wells for irrigation. They install as well as they set up tube wells for irrigation facility to supply water to their fields, and made use of HYV seeds. Now they used high quality seeds, we can say the HYV seeds, as well as the chemical fertilizers and pesticides also in their farming. Some of them bought farm machineries. Now some farmers, because of the effect of the green revolution, now they purchased machineries also, farm machineries like tractors and threshers. Threshers, one of the machine we can separate seeds from crops. Threshers, which made plowing and harvesting faster with the help of the farm machineries. They were rewarded with high yields of wheat. As a result, now they could produce more grains, and yields of wheat also increased, production also increased. In Palampur, the yield of wheat grown from the traditional varieties was 1300 kg. Now in a past period, with the help of the traditional seeds, whatever they produce, so how much they produce? 1300 kg only per hectare. But now with the HYV seeds, the yield went up, now increased, now production increased because of the green revolutions, and they are using the modern farming methods, so many things. Now production increased from 1300 kg, 1300 kg. Now it went up, increased up to 3200 kg per hectare. You can see the difference. Are you understanding? There was a large increase. You can see the increase in productions. There was a large increase in the production of wheat. Farmers now had a greater amounts of surplus wheat. Now they had a extra wheat to sell in the markets. Now they could sell whatever the extra surplus wheat in the market, and they could earn money. Now here, students, let's discuss. Now you can read yourself and try to answer. Now next paragraph in next clip. Thank you very much.